Welcome. We have another trade review on our hands. We're going to go right in so that you can get the most value from this trading idea. So, one of my members sent this over for their challenge account. They were after a $50,000 account, and this was one of the trades that they felt like they got played on. And you're going to see why here in just a second, because technically, this trade was executed on the 13th of December, but if you held it, like I teach how to swing trades right now, you would be in profit. So it looks like there was a $1,200 loss. They were in this trade for about 4 days. Their open price was $70.04. Their close price was $6.88. So let's head over to the chart and let's actually break this down so we can discuss. All right. So let's pull up tradingview.com and I'm just going to highlight the areas where they got in. So this is the 13th of December. This is the 17th. This is where we exited, and we got in at $70.04. Yeesh, you caught that whole day. Fantastic. So no, no, hey, that's a sniper day. That pulled up. I think it. Let's see here. Okay, so it was at $70, and let me switch back. $70.04, and then $68.88. I'm gonna update that, and then we'll switch back to the chart. Okay. Yep, I hit close. Okay, so 70.04, and then I'm gonna put a red line here to note where we got out, just so we can put that there, 60.88. If you've never traded oil before, the pips are very heavy, so it seems like a small move, but yeah, so that this entry here to here would have been a $1,200 loss. Now, first things first, I gotta start with the good, gotta start with the positive. This, if you caught this full day. So that was a sniper entry. Let's say you were scalping. Fantastic. Now, if you're swinging, one of the things that we do when we're making our trading plans and cultivating trading ideas is we ask ourselves, what's our reason to get in? So immediately off the bat on the daily chart, there is no reason or fundamental reason to get in, such as a price action pattern or some sort of indicator to execute a buy at this particular level. Not saying that buying is a bad idea. It's just we want to put ourselves in the best position to get the best trade. And so immediately, if I'm asking myself, well, where can the market go to? And then also, where is the most immediate level of support? Great. Well, so where you close it out was an immediate level of support. So basically, the market, this candle here showed us that there is support in this area. Now, if we're looking at a target, where's the next level of resistance? Because if we're buying from support to take it up to resistance, where's the next level of resistance? And if you eyeballed it and you said right here, you're absolutely right. And so now we have a 1-to-1 trade. Now, personal preference, 1 to 3. You can do whatever you want. 1 to 3 is going to set you up for success. I mean, think about it like flipping a coin. There's a certain probability when you flip a coin, it's going to land on heads, it's going to land on tails. We're going to tilt that scale in our favor by increasing the odds on the risk and reward. So 1 to 1, not my jam. You can do your thing. As far as this level here, immediate level, and then also here, okay? And so we can't ignore that. And the day is nothing in the market happens by coincidence. Literally, the market came up to that level, turned around, retested it here, turned around. Now here's the sometimes we feel like the market is playing a trick on us personally. The psychology piece of trading goes so deep, but the thing about it is it's about thinking in probabilities and understanding that. You can win any trade, you can lose any trade. There are no guarantees. However, when you have a plan for the trade, helps you to set up and manage those emotions better. Now, here's the part that I was talking about at the beginning is technically the trading idea was not incorrect as far as the direction. We can clearly see. So you were seeing this. It's just we have to time it to be able to make sure that we can stomach the either the drawdown or make sure we're getting in at a great level. And so I can imagine why you close it out here, especially if the challenge has a daily drawdown limit. Let's just say their daily drawdown limit was, let's just call it 3%. So that's $1,500. And so this one trade was $1,250. So you probably were like, I can't lose anymore. And you close it out. And so this has happened, probably will continue to happen in the future. The market use that same level. And this sometimes will make you upset. It makes you frustrated because you're like, what the? It literally turned around on the level that you got out. It used that level and it turned around. Now, this is not about you, it's the market, right? This is where the market was looking for an opportunity to grab some extra liquidity before going higher. But the main thing that I want to say, as far as a takeaway goes, when you're looking at opportunities, is to make sure that you understand, okay, where two things. Where can the market go as far as you can look at the reward first. I choose to look at risk first. Where can it go? Okay, where is it now? Where can it go? And where is an area where it would invalidate the trading idea? Now, again, looking back in time, hindsight is always 2020. Right trading idea, just the timing and the execution and the reasoning for getting into a trade was not there. Now you can look at something like this where we had a slight uptrend, we had a pullback. Okay, so keep in mind, if we're looking at a bullish market, we're waiting on a pullback. Okay, to enter. Same way with if the market is going down, you're waiting on a pullback to enter a sell. And so the market was going up, it pulled back to this level. This is more like a spinning top. You got something like a doji here, and then from there, right now, those those are my observations with this trade. Is if this day, and I get it. Sometimes you get into a trade, and that first day that you're in the trade, it goes right up, and you're like, oh boy, it's gonna continue up forever. And yeah, we probably could have taken that if you're doing a funded challenge with the strict drawdown daily drawdown rules. Probably would have taken that. If you got this entry right here, and we came to our chart, and we didn't see this, right? Perhaps it could have gone higher. But if I would have got to my chart and then this day came and I got in here, yeah, we taking that. There's no reason to try to swing this, especially because the pips are very heavy. So a couple ways we can slice this. Either we could reduce the risk dramatically, okay, because I think on the other trades, no, those are also a standard. Okay. I have so much feedback for this trade. So reduce the risk. All right. If we would have reduced the risk, and I think I made a video about this, we you could have stayed in the trade. Okay, I know we were already in it for 4 days, and then you got in drawdown, and we were talking a little bit about fatigue, trader fatigue, and how the market takes advantage of that, where traders get tired of holding a trade, and then as soon it's like almost to the day, like as soon as you close it out, the market's like, okay, I'm ready now, and you're like, what the? So reduce the risk. That's an option. Wait for a better wait for a better trigger candle. That's what I like to call it. Wait for a better signal. And the other part is make sure we have a healthy risk to reward. Okay, make sure we understand market structure. So where the market came from, where it's going. Okay, and yeah, just making sure we lay out the complete plan for the trade. So hopefully this gave you some insight to help you along your journey in trading. And if you are interested in getting more of a personalized opportunity, we do offer trading plan consultations. You can scan the QR code on your screen. This is a 4-part consultation where over the course of 30, 60, and 90 days after your first consultation, we follow up to make sure that the strategies are working. It's not just a one and done. We actually want to see you successful. So we curate that process through the follow up. So if that's something that's interesting to you, go ahead and scan the QR code. Would love to learn more about your trading and your trading goals and your trading experience. Until the next time, keep in mind trading successfully is a journey. And every day that you spend learning more and more, that just propels you closer to your goals. So if there was some sort of aha moment, love to hear about it in the comments. Drop that below. And don't forget to check out the next video where we go into another level deep on technical analysis. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of the new videos. We are looking to grow the channel and we need your help to do it. So until the next time, stay disciplined, keep learning, and trade safe. Take care.